The next one, consider the following statements here. So subsidiary alliance was introduced by Lord Wellesley, okay. Annexation of Awadh was done by Lord Dalhousie, okay. Lord Curzon formed the Chamber of Princes, all right. So which one do you think is going to be correct in this particular context? Okay, and that is only one option, only two option, or only three option, all right. So when we talk here that on this, we know that the British expanded, the British are going to expand their particular things. They are going to expand through the policies of war, okay, through the war and through the policies. Now in the policies we had looked into that they had created subsidiary alliance, doctrine of lapse, and it was ring fence. So subsidiary alliance, it was by Wellesley, doctrine of lapse, it was by Dalhousie, and ring fence, it was by Warren Hastings. So we know subsidiary alliance, it was by Wellesley, so this is correct. Annexation of Awadh, it was done in 1856 by Dalhousie itself. Okay, so annexation of Awadh, it was done. Lord Curzon formed the Chamber of Princes. So the Chamber of Princes, it was generally created after the Government of India Act 1919. Okay, and the Government of India Act 1990, after the Government of India Act 1919, and at that point of time there is going to be Lord, you might have known the Geo Act 1919 is also known as the Montagu-Chelmsford reforms. So Montagu and Chelmsford. So in India at that point of time the Viceroy was Lord Chelmsford, and Montagu was the Secretary of State. Okay, so it was Chelmsford who in the year of 1920 is going to create this particular Chamber of Princes. So it was not this person, that is Curzon, was not the person who is going to be creating this. Okay, Curzon was not the person who is going to be creating this. All right, so this is one another aspect that we can understand. All right, okay, so here then let's move to the next question.